What you're seeing here is an infrared motion detection security camera photo of toxic fumes coming out of the floor of my apartment, specifically my bedroom. This is my bike. That's the radiator. That's the window and the curtains by the window. So I caught this death cloud coming out of the floor, or rather, my camera did, after installing a motion detection camera only a few hours earlier. I installed two more like a few weeks prior to this. I began complaining about toxic fumes in my apartment. I complained to the NYPD. I explained to them what he was doing and what I was experiencing. They said they said my description was definitely assault, and they said it was probably attempted murder. And I spoke to a sergeant and a lieutenant, and they agreed that it was probably attempted murder. I then asked them what they were going to do about it, and they said, "Come back and see us again if he does it again." Now, my landlord, basically having license to do it again, did it again and again and again and again. The only reason I'm here to talk about this today is because I went out and bought a large industrial fan and ran it 24/7, 360 to constantly vent moving air through the apartment so I wouldn't get caught in my sleep with this giant plume of like whatever they're venting through the floor.